Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a silk press on 𝗕𝗕𝘆𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗃 hair. I have the 𝗕 Silk Infusion and Heat Protectant Spray. So I'll be blow drying first and then using the BaByliss Nano Titanium Flat Iron. We're just blow drying it straight right now. The blow dryer and the comb. She's debating whether or not to trim her ends, and I will have to confirm with her because it's her decision at the end of the day, but I suggested just a trim on the ends so that it looks a little bit cleaner. So we blow dried it. It's not bone straight, but we will be getting the bone straight look with the flat iron. This is the length when it's blow dried, and now we are going to flat iron it. So you want me to trim the ends of each section? Yeah. Because she agreed to trim the ends. So this is the amount you want me to trim off? Okay. Okay, so she shampooed and conditioned her hair before we did all this, because when we're doing silk presses, I myself like to do it on clean hair and also like a clean scalp, because if you don't, the hair straightener, the flat iron, will pick up the kind of grease from the hair or the kind of dirt from the scalp. So it's important to do silk press, I think, on a clean scalp and fresh hair. So just shampooing the hair before, conditioning before is important in my opinion. And even if you add like the Silk Infusion serum, 𝗕 Silk Infusion, and the heat protectant spray, even that can accumulate on the flat iron. I even noticed this time around it did accumulate, and even when I do silk press on myself, it kind of accumulates. So yes, it's important, even more important, to shampoo and condition hair beforehand, because sometimes the flat iron will get a little bit of buildup. You can have a towel handy, like a kind of rough towel, old towel handy, or heat protectant cloth handy to wipe off any excess buildup that accumulates on the iron as you go along. But if you do it on a clean, fresh scalp, usually that problem will be very minimal and you won't get much buildup on the flat iron. But I noticed we had in this case, because she has a lot of hair, and I did use a lot of the 𝗕 products like the heat protectant spray and Silk Infusion. Yeah, I like this iron. This flat iron is really good. It does a great job. So far, from what I noticed, you just have to kind of clean the buildup on the iron plates. That's kind of like the maintenance and, you know, taking care of your products. You have to take care of the iron itself, you know, store it in a nice area away from harm, because electronics and all that could be fragile. So you have to just kind of store it out of the way of things and clean it. So that's pretty much it. It's a good brand. It really does a great job and what it's supposed to do, and I don't have any kind of critiques on it. And I know there's different versions of this flat iron. I've seen the different versions, I've read the reviews. I will be mainly using this for silk presses. I use heatless rollers in my hair when I want to do curls. So this is just for a nice straight look.